Today I'm back with another beautiful thought of the day, and I'm showing how to present a thought of the day in the school assembly. So let's start. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present you a thought of the day. Today's thought is, your thoughts, speech and actions will bear a seal of full confidence if you are sincere in all your tasks. I repeat my thought. Your thoughts, speech and actions will bear a seal of full confidence if you are sincere in all your tasks. This thought means if you are working honestly and sincerely in any field, then whatever you think, whatever you do and whatever you talk will be covered with full confidence. Thank you. I hope you liked my thought of the day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video. Bye. Have a good day.